Have you ever wanted to tell a friend about all the great things you did today, but you didn't know the right words?
I have felt that way many times, and today we're going to learn the secret to talking about your day.
So stay with us, because in just a moment, we're going to show you how to use the present perfect in real life. Are you ready? Let's begin. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hi, everyone. It is so good to be here today. I am very, very excited for this episode.
I am happy to hear that, Paul. You look very energetic today. How are you doing?
I am doing great, thank you. I am a little bit tired, but it is a good tired. Do you know what I mean?
Yes, I do. When you do many things, you feel tired, but you also feel proud.
Exactly. I have done so many things this morning.
Oh, wait, Paul, you just used it. You used the special grammar we're talking about today.
Did I? Oh, yes. I said I have done.
Yes, that is the present perfect. It sounds very fancy, but it is actually very easy and very useful.
I agree. It is one of my favorite ways to speak English. But before we explain everything, we should talk to our friends listening.
Oh, you are right. Hello to all our friends at home. We are so happy you are here with us.
Yes, and if you like our conversations, please click the like button right now. It helps us a lot.
And please subscribe to We Want to Help You Learn English every week.
And don't forget to share this with your friends or family. If they are learning English, they can listen and learn with us too.
Thank you, everyone. Okay, Paul, let's talk about this present perfect. Why is it so good for talking about our day?
Well, Emily, sometimes we want to talk about things we did today or this week. The time is not finished.
Yes, like today is still happening.
Right. So we use two special words together. We use the word have and then a past word.
A past word? Do you mean like eaten or seen?
Yes, exactly. For example, I have eaten breakfast.
Oh, I see. So I don't just say I eat, I say I have eaten.
Yes, it means you did it today and it is finished now.
That is very easy. Let's practice with our day. Paul, tell me one thing you have done today.
Let me think. Okay, this morning I have drunk a very big cup of coffee.
Of course, you always drink coffee. So you say I have drunk.
Yes, I have drunk coffee. And what about you, Emily? What have you done today?
Well, I have walked my dog in the park.
Oh, that is nice. Is the weather good today?
Yes, it is very sunny. So I have walked for 30 minutes.
Wow, 30 minutes. That is great exercise. Your dog must be very happy.
He is very happy. He is sleeping now. So I say I have walked. It is the word walk with an ed at the end.
Yes, for many words, we just add ed. I have walked, I have talked, I have cleaned.
Oh, I have cleaned. Did you clean your house today, Paul?
Yes, I have. I have cleaned my kitchen. It was very messy after breakfast.
My kitchen is messy too. I have not cleaned it yet.
Oh, I have not cleaned. That is the negative.
Yes, you just add the word not. I have not cleaned my kitchen.
That is a very useful sentence. I think many people can say that.
It is true. Life is busy. But Paul, I have a question. What if I want to talk about you? Do I still use have?
Yes. For I, you, we, and they, we use have. So I can say, you have walked your dog.
Okay, and we have started our podcast.
Yes, and they have arrived at the office.
This is very simple. I like it. But what about he or she?
Ah, that is the only small change. For he or she, we use has. H-A-S.
Oh, okay. So he has cleaned the kitchen.
Exactly. Or she has drunk her tea.
Okay, I understand. I have, you have, but she has.
You got it. You are a natural, Emily.
Thank you. So let's talk more about our day. It is the afternoon now. Paul, have you eaten lunch?
Yes, I have. I have eaten a very delicious sandwich.
A sandwich. What was in it?
It had cheese, tomato, and lettuce. It was very good. I have eaten it all.
I am hungry now. I have not eaten lunch. I am waiting for our chat to finish.
Oh no, I'm sorry, Emily. We will finish soon so you can eat.
It is okay. Talking to you is more important than food.
You are so kind. So let's think. What else? Oh, I have written some emails today.
I have written. That is a good one. Writing emails is a big part of work.
Yes, it is. I have written 5 emails to my boss.
5 emails. You are very busy. Is your boss happy?
I hope so. He has not answered me yet.
Maybe he is busy too. Or maybe he has gone to lunch.
He has gone. Yes, that is another one.
Paul, I just thought of something. If you are still listening to us right now, please comment "I have learned" in the comments below.
Oh, I love that. I have learned. It shows us you are practicing your English with us.
Yes, it makes us very happy to see your comments.
It really does. Okay, back to our day. Emily, have you seen any good movies lately?
Today, no. But this week, yes, I have seen a very funny comedy.
Oh, really? What is the name?
It is called The Happy Cat. It is about a cat that travels around the world.
That sounds very funny. I have not seen that movie. I have seen a documentary about space.
Space? Is it interesting?
Yes, it is very beautiful. I have learned a lot about the moon and the stars.
Wow, I have learned. We are using these words so much today.
We are, because they are the best words for talking about our lives.
I agree. Let's talk about been. I hear people say, "I have been" a lot. What does that mean?
I have been is like saying you went somewhere and came back, or how you felt.
Okay, so I can say, "I have been to the supermarket today."
Yes, it means you went there, you bought your food, and now you are home.
And I can say, "I have been very happy today."
Exactly. It describes your feeling from the morning until now.
That is very useful. I have been a little busy, but I have been happy.
Me too. I have been a bit tired, like I said, but I have been very excited to talk to you.
Thanks, Paul. You know, I have also started a new book today.
Oh, a new book? What is it about?
It is a mystery book. It is about a missing key in a big house.
Ooh, I love mysteries. How many pages have you read?
I have read 20 pages. It's very exciting.
20 pages? That is a good start. I have not read a book in a long time. I have been too busy watching space documentaries.
You need to read more, Paul. It's good for the brain.
You're right. I will try to read tonight.
Good. Then tomorrow you can say, "I have read my book."
Exactly. Oh, Emily, I just realized something. We use have for questions too, right?
Oh, yes. Like when you asked me, "Have you eaten lunch?"
Right. You just put the word have at the start of the sentence.
So I can ask you, "Have you finished your work for today?"
No, I have not finished everything. I still have to edit this podcast.
That is true. We have a lot of work to do.
But it is fun work. I have enjoyed our conversation a lot.
Me too. It is so easy to talk about our day when we use these words.
It really is. It makes the conversation feel real, like we are really sharing our lives.
Yes. And for our friends learning English, don't worry about being perfect. Just try to use "I have" and a past word.
Yes, even if the past word is a little bit wrong, people will understand you.
That is the most important part. Communication.
Exactly. I have eaten, I have seen, I have worked. These are great sentences to start with.
And remember, for he or she, use has. Like, "My friend has called me today."
Oh, that is a good one. Has called. I have received a call from my mom today, too.
Oh, how is she?
She's doing well. She has bought a new car.
Wow, a new car? What color?
It is blue. She is very happy with it. She has driven it to the store already.
That is great. She has bought, she has driven. You're using the present perfect perfectly, Paul.
Thank you, Emily. I am trying my best.
Well, Paul, look at the clock. We have talked for a long time.
We really have. Time flies when we are having fun and learning.
It does. I feel like we talked about so many things today.
We did. We talked about my coffee and my messy kitchen.
Yes, and my dog walking in the park and my mystery book.
And we remembered that we use have and has to talk about things that happened today.
Yes, like I have drunk or she has cleaned. It is such a good way to tell a story about your day.
It really is. And it's not as hard as it sounds in the grammar books.
No, not at all. It's just a simple plan for your sentences.
Exactly. I feel like I have learned a lot from you today, Emily, even though we are the teachers.
We always learn together, Paul. That is the best part of Mr. English Channel.
I agree. Well, everyone, we hope you have enjoyed this episode as much as we have.
Yes, thank you so much for listening to us today.
Before you go, please remember to subscribe so you can see our next video.
And give us a like if this was helpful for you. It means a lot to us.
And we have one last question for you in the comments.
Yes, tell us, what is one thing you have done today?
Use the present perfect. Write, I have, and then tell us your news.
We can't wait to read your stories. It is so fun to see what you are doing all over the world.
It really is. Well, I think I have said everything I wanted to say.
Me too, Paul.
Great. Well, see you next time, Emily.
Bye, Paul. Bye, everyone.